Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's a quick video around how to put an icon or a app on the taskbar at the bottom here. It's really handy to have some apps pinned to your taskbar here, just quick access to them and opening them. So I like to have them here. As you can see around the bottom, what we're going to do is add one. The one we're going to add is the Google Chrome browser that we downloaded in the earlier video. If you want to see how I did that, make sure you go and check that video out on my channel. What I'm going to do is open the thing on the left hand corner here, the Windows icon. So go down to Google Chrome. Can you see? There it is. Google Chrome. I'm going to right click on the Google Chrome icon. And it says here right at the very top, pin to start. Click on more here. Sometimes it might be here. Or you can click on more. It says here, pin to taskbar. So I'm going to click that. Can you see? It's on here on the right hand side, the bottom of the taskbar. So once I click it, it's a quick access to open the Google browser. Kind of like to use, as you know. I hope you found this useful. That's the quickest and easiest way to do that. So I hope you found this video useful. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Also, if you want to see anything else or you struggle with anything else, any techie issues you struggle with, please make sure you comment down below so I can make a video on it. Right guys, thank you. Bye bye.